What if I told you the Warren County real estate market is doing the exact opposite of what most people think right now? Yep, well, that's what's actually happened the last 30 days. Hi, everyone. I'm John Meier, bringing you the Warren County residential market update. First, new listings are up, which means sellers are finally getting off the fence and buyers have more homes to choose from. Second, buyer demand is still strong. A solid number of homes went under contract, thanks to in part those mortgage rates trending down and giving buyers more breathing room. Next is a steady flow of closed sales, and the median sale price is holding firm, showing home values in Warren County remain strong and stable. Today's home market has ticked up, but homes that are priced right and presented well are still moving. The ones that sit, they almost always need a price adjustment, and well, we've definitely seen some of those. The list to sell price is still healthy, but buyers are negotiating, so pricing matters more than ever now. So here are the numbers: 49 homes sold, 74 new listings, 58 average days on the market, and the average sale price is $430,631. At conventional, 30-year fixed rate is at 6.125%. The bottom line is, this is still a balanced, optimistic market for both buyers and sellers. I'm John Meier with Westplex Real Estate, here for all your real estate needs. Follow me to stay sharp, stay smart, and stay ready in real estate.